Good morning. It is 7:30. I think I said in my last one my goal was 6 a.m. 7:30 isn't bad though. That's not bad. That is a normal human time to wake up. I still think that's early. Right? Right? Anyways, I'm gonna get out of bed, brush my teeth, do my skincare. Alright, got my coffee and I just made a little avocado toast. So I just do like some kind of butter, vegan butter, or even like an oil. And then I do avocado, a little bit of goat cheese. This week of videos is just really exposing how much goat cheese I eat. So, and then I did salt and pepper. And I'm gonna do, okay, I just set down the camera to do that. But basically, I just drizzle like a tiny bit of honey over top and that's it. Okay, so my main priority today is I have a final paper due tomorrow, and it's like the last thing I have to do for school for this quarter. So I just want to get it out of the way, and that's what I'm gonna work on. Wow, my hair looks fantastic, truly. So it's about 11:30, so I wrote like a really substantial chunk of the essay, and it's a group essay, so I'm gonna let my other partner work on it, and I'm gonna revisit it in the morning. And now it's 11:30, still early in the day. Wow, I have so much time. I was gonna take a lunch break between 11 and 12. Also, I finished that essay like an hour ago and I've literally been doing nothing for the past hour, so that's where we're at. But I think I'm actually gonna get dressed. I don't think I'm gonna put on makeup today because I don't feel like it, but I am going to kind of do my hair and put on some Real People clothes, and then I think I'm gonna do some stuff around the house. I want to finally take down the Halloween decorations and put up some Christmassy stuff, and then basically just need to do the dishes and stuff, and then I'm gonna edit, and that's basically my day. And yeah, all right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I curled my hair and put on semi-human clothes. Yes, I'm wearing the same leggings, okay? It's fine. So now I think it's time to take down some Halloween decorations, put in some laundry, and do a little tidying. I can't believe that paper is like, oh weight has lifted. I still have to do some more stuff for it, but almost done with the quarter, baby. Okay, so I wasn't able to grab all the decorations for Christmas, but I grabbed most of them. There's a giant kayak in the way in the storage, and I can't lift it by myself, so that's why I didn't grab all of them. But I'm gonna gather up the Halloween decorations and put up a few little Christmassy things. All right, so that's basically all the Halloween stuff we had set up. So let's see what we got for Christmas. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's open this bad boy. I think this is all ornaments. Yeah, that one's all ornaments, and we don't have a tree yet. We're getting one this weekend, hopefully. So I'm not gonna do anything with that yet. And then again, we have a tree skirt. Okay, this is all stuff for the tree. We don't have one yet. These are both full of ornaments, and the tree skirt and lights, obviously. So the only decoration I actually have is this. So I guess we'll put this up somewhere. Okay, I found a couple more things. I found these holiday owls and a couple candles and a garland, but pretty sparse. I swear we have more. I might just leave this on the floor here until Adam gets home, and then we can do it together, because I think that might work best. But yeah, we'll see. So I think I'm just gonna do some general tidying and then call it a day. Okay, so I started a little DIY project for no reason. I had these pants, yeah, that were too long, so I chopped them, and now I am creating like a frayed hem. So this side's pretty much done, but I wanted to do a super easy hem. I don't have any sewing stuff, so I figured I would do this kind of frayed hem, which is kind of trendy right now, right? But it might work. So basically what I did was I kind of just started pulling at them, and then this one I went over top like with a razor to get more of the threads out, and then I pulled at the seam with some tweezers too to make it more distressed. So hopefully this turns out good. I don't know why I started this, but here we are. I think I am going to, because they looked a little bit weird on, so I think what I'm gonna do is actually I wanna cut a little slit like next to the seam. Not very big, just a little. I, for some reason, imagine that this will make them look better. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Cool, I think that's good. All right, now I'm gonna do the same thing for the other ones. So, I'm showing you this as if I know what I'm doing. I don't. So, what I'm gonna do with this one, same thing I did with the other one, was I kind of like folded it up like this, and then I'm gonna take my razor and then just like really just like go back and forth and mess this up. Okay guys, they're done. I feel like these are definitely a pant you have to wear with booties. I've always been a skinny jeans type of gal, but I'm trying to move past that, and do more like boot cut stuff. But these are almost flare, but I think with the hem, it works. And it definitely works with the booties. I think they're cute. Looks intentional. I put a sweater on so you could see how I would like style this. I think if they were less like form-fitting in the hips too, it might look better, but I think I did a pretty good job. And I got these at Goodwill for like $5. Looking stylish. Hey guys, so I just got back from the store. I got toilet paper and quarters for laundry and some stuff. I want to make some little holiday treats later. This day is like really chill. I got the big thing that was stressing me out done so early. I just had the rest of the day to like fuck around. So it's been great. It's only 3 o'clock, but Adam's gonna be home soon-ish, so I'm actually gonna start dinner. I'm gonna make some roasted veggies, and then I'm gonna do a couple other food things, and yeah, it should be a fun time. Okay, vegetables are in the oven. I'm feeling kind of hungry, so in the last video I told you I have that like pound of American cheese. So I think I'm gonna make some just quick, easy queso and put it in the fridge for like the rest of the week. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're switching to the phone camera because my camera's full. So I made the queso, and like it's pretty tasty. I ended up making a roux on the stove and then folding this in. And then I'm adding fresh jalapeno and onion and some spices, and it's like pretty tasty. My concern is though, I'm pretty sure this is gonna like re-solidify once I put it in the fridge. So it might be something that we have to like microwave again and again when I wanted it to be like liquid. I don't know why I thought it would be, but like it's tasty. Alrighty, veggies are roasted. Brussels are a little overdone, but that's okay. We're gonna eat some dinner. All right, Carolyn attempting to make things she's never made before, part 2. We are gonna make knockoff Thin Mints. I saw Jessica Braun make this in her videos, so I'm gonna try to make it in my video. I'm gonna boil this water. Let's start. Great, I don't have a metal bowl, so this is gonna have to work. Chocolate chips going in. Okay, chocolate is melted. I'm gonna add a few drops of peppermint extract and mix that in. Turned off the heat, by the way. All right, so now I have a Ritz cracker, and I'm just gonna dip it And oh, gotta swirl it. Yeah. Swirl it around. Let it drip. And we're gonna put it on here. I think wax paper is ideal, but I didn't have any, so I just buttered a piece of tin foil. Okay, so we were able to make 2 full trays of these. So, gonna go in the freezer. Alright. Alright, cookies are done. Pretty good. What do you think of the cookies?
Delicious.
Yeah, you just gotta cut a square out.
You just take the cheese dip and you just cut a piece
Dairy
off.
Queen? Just melt the cheese, okay? Okay, just, you don't have to come for me.
Hang on. Let me cut a slice of this cake real quick.
It's so gross. Ooh, gelatinous.
Ooh. Yep.
That's gross.
Sounds like a fart.
Here, just
Perfect.
microwave it. It'll be fine. You know, I've never made cheese dip before, Adam.
It's fine. You know what?
I tried.
I took a little square.
I
Let's
tried
just go
my
for the
best. Okay.
Whole... I'm sorry.
You're so rude. Alright guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I don't know if this is going to be part of another video or not, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, either way, like and subscribe, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye!